Chapter 6, The Secret Handshake. When I got to my classroom, my friends Gus and Emma ran over to say hello. The first thing we did was our secret handshake. Here is how it goes, in case you would like to try it. Number 1, scream each other's names. Number 2, wait for the teacher to say, inside voices, please. Number 3, do a high five. Number 4, do a low five. Number 5, stick out your tongue. Number 6, get all serious and say, how do you do, Mr. Riley? Of course, you would not say Riley, probably. It would be pretty amazing if we had the same last name. Emma pointed to my elbows. Cool sparkle Band-Aids, Roscoe. I mostly always have a Band-Aid on me somewhere, or a cast, or a sling. Mom says to think of it all as a fashion statement. When I was 4, I even had an eye patch. The eye patch was black, totally pirate. How'd you get the Band-Aids? Gus asked. Racing my Hot Wheels car down the stairs, I said. The Hot Wheels won. Household accidents are the most common cause of injuries in children, said Emma. Emma teaches me a lot of interesting facts. She was born in China. Her parents adopted her when she was a baby. I wish I was born in China, instead of just Kalamazoo. Gus teaches me lots of useful things, too. Just last week, he showed me how to make armpit farts. What's in the bag, Roscoe? Emma asked. Art stuff for Miss Diz, I said. I opened the bag. Gus and Emma peeked inside. Cool head, Gus said. Her name was Drusilla, I said, before I brain surgeried her. Super mega gonzo glue, Gus said. Whoa, my mom won't let me near that stuff. Me either, said Emma. Me either, I said, but I figured Miss Diz could use it for when we break stuff. Let's go show her what I brought. Miss Diz was busy stapling butterfly pictures to the bulletin board. Miss Diz isn't really her name, but her real name is hard to say. It uses maybe half of the alphabet, so she cut off the N for my class. Maybe when I'm a grown-up, I'll be called Mr. Rye for short. Or not. I handed Miss Diz the bag of art supplies. This is all for you, I said. It's for the art cupboard. There's special glue in there. And I even included a free head. Miss Diz frowned. What kind of head, Roscoe? Just a doll head. I smiled so she wouldn't worry. Since Miss Diz is new, she gets mixed up sometimes. I try to help her out whenever I can. After all, I was a kindergartner last year, so I already know everything there is to know about school. For example, when Miss Diz forgot the janitor's name, I remembered it was Mr. McGeely. She had to call him Gus when Gus threw up his ravioli after lunch. Sometimes Miss Diz looks pretty pooped by the end of the day. I hope she doesn't decide to go into another line of work. My kindergarten teacher did that. It wasn't my fault. Probably. Although I think maybe she got a little frustrated when I painted the class hamsters green, because it was St. Patrick's Day. Hamsters like to look perky for the holidays. Miss Diz checked her watch. Class, she said in a loud voice. Then she put a finger on her lips. That means shh. I know you're all excited about the open house today, said Miss Diz. We're going to have a dress rehearsal first thing this morning. Dress rehearsal is when you practice with costumes and stuff. It doesn't mean you have to wear a dress. Let's just hope things go a little better than they did yesterday, Miss Diz said with a laugh. I'm sure today we'll all be on our best behavior. Poor old brand new Miss Diz. I think maybe she forgot about our high spirits.